What's going on YouTube? Adrian here with another video. So super excited about today's video. This is going to be behind the scenes of a bridal style shoot that me and my wife did this past weekend. The shoot was amazing and I'm just excited because this is a new type of content that I've been wanting to put out, and I'm going to be doing a lot more behind the scenes type videos in the future. So let me know in the comments. Let me know by dropping a like if you enjoyed these behind the scenes videos. And like I said, I'm super excited, and I'm also going to be giving y'all tips on just what I'm doing and all that good stuff. That's enough talking. Let's get straight into it. Checking in with the commentary. So I just want to go over what gear I'm using for this shoot. So I'm shooting with the Sony a7 III, and my lens is the Sony 85 1.8, which is by far my favorite lens. If you do not have this lens, you need to, after you watch this video, you need to go to Amazon and order it right now. It's not even, I mean, it costs a lot, but compared to other lenses like the, the Sony G Master and all, Zeiss lenses and stuff like that, it's cheap, relatively cheap compared to those lenses. So I highly recommend this lens, and every piece of gear that I'm talking about is going to be linked in the description if you want to check it out. So, and right now I'm just using natural light. I usually use flash most of the time. I'd say about 80% of the time when I'm shooting, but I liked how the light was looking, so I just went with it. And you'll see later on in the video, I'm gonna introduce the light, and the light that I'm using is the Godox AD400 Pro, and I'm using a 41-inch Glow Beauty dish, which is I love that softbox right there. It's a great softbox. So I want to give y'all a little tip on posing right here, and that is to find a base pose and just work off that pose. Because when it comes to posing, I feel like people try to do too much. This is something that I used to do. I try to move, trying to move my client away and just doing too much, when really I could just work off that one pose. Because you'll see, as you see in this video, she's just doing, we're just doing simple little adjustments, and it's completely changing, the look of the photo. So, once you get that base pose, just start to change little things. Maybe change her waist, change where she's looking, change the way, her hands are. Just think about those small adjustments, and it can really make a difference with your posing. And it'll actually help you get more photos and be able to shoot faster, because you could just work off of that base pose and get like 20 poses, from that one base pose, if that makes sense. Alright, so now we're using the off-camera flash. Like I've stated in many videos, like you hear me say all the time, I love off-camera flash. And the reason I love off-camera flash is because it just produces a different kind of look. So I just like having that control, over the ambient light, and being able to expose for my subject and for my background. So that's why I just love off-camera flash. And I think in this video I was using high-speed sync. I think my shutter was around 800. So if you don't know what high speed sync is, I'll actually link a video at the top where I talk about what high speed sync is. With this specific shot right here, well, it was pretty much, as you can see, it was a real gloomy day. We actually thought it was gonna rain, but what I wanted to do was bring in that sky. So I felt like I really couldn't have done this just shooting natural light, but I just wanted it, to really bring in that sky and make the portrait more dramatic. I think my power with my flash was around 132, and to figure out my power, I just take multiple test shots until I get it right, and then I just go with it. And I really like how these photos turned out. I think the bench, it kind of has like a rustic kind of look to it. I think it went really well with the black dress, and I just really like these shots right here. So if you're new to off-camera flash and it's something that you want to start incorporating into your photography, I have a couple videos that I made that could help you out, that's going to teach you pretty much everything about off-camera flash, from what flashes to use, how to set them up, and just some tips when it comes to using off-camera flash. So I'm going to link both of those videos in the description below. So after you check out this video, be sure to check out those videos also. And like I said earlier, I'm excited to be doing more BTS content like this. If you enjoyed this, let me know. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite shot was. Let me know about any questions that you have when it comes to off-camera flash. Drop a like so I know you enjoyed this video. Yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.